And Daddy Doodle. Every day Mama sings Matthew happy birthday with the birthday cake. I bake a cake like once a week. Even the leftover cake I go happy birthday to Matthew with the birthday cake and the candles. Every day. Careful Matthew, careful. Yes. Turn around so Mommy can see it on the camera. Oh, it's got turtles. Turtles, turtles. Yes, Ninja Turtle. Oh, he's a pierogi. And Mommy bought him that little shirt with the polar bears. Mommy got all kinds of clothes in the bags yet for him and for Melissa and for Momo. Mommy bought Melissa a little Valentine's outfit. Yes, it's a turtle. 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 Here's part of an omelet and birthday cake for Matthew, and I put a candle on it and then it's still snowing. Today is February 10th or 9th, I think, 2001. And what's interesting, 9th, February 9th. And what's interesting is that this morning at about 4 a.m. I heard this loud banging on the door, back door, and it was an MP telling us that we had to evacuate today and go to the chapel. And as you can see in the video, as I can see, it's snowing and windy and blizzardy and cold, so we had to bundle the children up, which took a considerable amount of time. But we did it as fast as we could and bundled the children up, and I carried Momo up to the chapel, and he was screaming and crying, but I had him bundled up good, and Jack followed behind me with the strollers, and we went with the strollers, and he had Melissa and Matthew, and Matthew was screaming and crying because it was so cold. But got up to the chapel, and as soon as we got there, they said the gas leak was over and we could come back. So I requested that the police escort Momo and I back, and Marshall and I back in the police car, and they did, because Jack was still way behind. But when I got home, I had forgotten, Jack had my keys in my other bag, and so I couldn't get in the door. But fortunately, he showed up shortly, so that was wonderful. I love the snow here. It's really beautiful. Playing with Mommy's good tea set. No banging it. No, you don't bang it. Baby wanted to play. Baby would leave it alone, so I let all three kids play. No, they would. Every day I have little routines with the children, and especially Matthew right now because he's old enough to understand. Baby's leaving the door here. Anyhow, we just cleaned up the room. We go through the whole thing. We put the blankets on the floor because it protects the children if they fall. That's why I do that. Put all the stuffed animals in the bed, and Matthew and Melissa helped me put all the toys in the containers. We do this once or twice a day so that they understand that there's routines in life. Yeah. And then we're going to go brush our teeth and potty. So every day from the beginning, I always have the children on little routines that they're capable of so that they learn good manners and how to do everything. So the children are very blessed to have me be able to stay home and to have a daddy that earns the money so Mommy can stay home and be so good with them and teach them all the right ways to do things. And they're wonderful children. Okay. Daddy's in there studying, and I have been on a diet, and I have lost a lot of weight. I have lost about 29 pounds. I'm doing wonderful. Babies are taken off. Baby's gonna walk. Watch your head, baby. Watch your head. Come here. No. Come here. Come here. Let's get baby to walk. Oh, that's wonderful. And she's always very, very thoughtful. Another photo frame for us from Grandma Poppy. Yeah, I think another photo frame here because I asked her that we need a lot of photos. No, don't open it. We'll open it when you get home from school. Today's Valentine's Day. And another photo frame. Oh boy. We'll put them over there so we can put Matthew's pictures in. Oh, let's see. This is for Momo, so we got to give this to Momo later. We'll put that up there for Momo. Wait. That's Momo's gift. And I think this is to Matthew, Grandma and Matthew. Oh boy, that's from Grandma Poppy. to Matthew. See, the other two kids are playing. Wait, Matthew, I'll come right back. The other two kids are in here playing. This is Valentine's Day, and I'm always making those Sesame Street tapes for them, educational tapes. And there's Melissa and Momo. Hello, happy Valentine's Day, little kids. And getting Matthew ready for school as well. Now, wait a minute, honey. Wait. We're going to open the rest, baby. I put Matthew a little Valentine's Day shirt on, and I'm going to dress them all in their little Valentine's outfit. There's another frame. Oh, boy. Oh, that one broke, but that's okay. Mommy will use it anyhow. No touch, because it's got broken glass in it. Oh, and this is for Momo.
Momo?
Mm-hmm.
Momo?
And she sent Missy one of those things that she sent you, and then this is, I don't know what this is.
What is it?
Let me see. Wait a minute, honey, wait a minute. This is major, oh, major for Jack. Woo!
What's that?
And that's for Daddy.
Daddy?
Oh, a little ice cream thing to put ice cream in.
Yeah.
Yay! Say thank you, Grandma Puppy. And she sent one from Missy Jew, too. It's got a spoon with it, too, so we'll give this to Missy Jews later. And
Mommy dress?
what, honey?
Mommy dress?
Yes, Grandma sent Mommy a black, beautiful black dress. Oh, I'll wear that. Oh, that does look nice. I'll wear that. Oh, that's pretty for Mommy. I hope it fits me. Grandma's always thought. And then here's one for Melissa. Give that to Melissa later. And Grandma sent some Elmo things and a few other things, and I'll go through them.
Today is Valentine's Day, the 14th of February, 2001.
That's correct.
And Diana's got all her makeup on, and I gave her Valentine's Day card, the big card, and a Valentine's heart with assorted candies, 22 ounces.
Cost $13.95.
Oh, she looks at it, and it has a red ribbon on it with a rose.
Make sure this goes in the garden change his mother.
Oh, well.
It's pretty. Thank you. You have a piece of chocolate. I'm on my diet. I've done really well. Thank you.
Ooh.
That does look good. You're getting it closer to right. Maybe eventually.
At least I'm here. Could be on the other side of the world someplace.
It's true.
Send you a Valentine's email.
Thank you, honey. I love my Valentine's Day 2001. Thank you. I need to start marking the back of the box because I save the boxes. And I don't let the kids have these. To my one and only, I want to be on the barrel.
Yum, 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 yum. You're not going to read the card out loud. There's your card.
Thank you, honey. I'll read it in a second.
Okay.
This is yours. I bought your box. Can you other you started opening it earlier?
No, it's
Hershey's Pot of
normal.
Gold. That's for you.
Thank you.
And this is, I bought you 2 cards.
That's wonderful, honey.
And this, I just want to show my weight on here so that I got a pink sweater on that.
Diana's losing weight. You look great, honey. Oh, yeah, you look
I
great.
lost about 23 pounds.
You look wonderful, honey.
Thank you, honey.
Okay.
I love you, Jack.
I love you
It's
too,
been
sweetheart.
wonderful.
Well, honey, I wanted to help you maintain your figure.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure, honey. You just knocked all my candy right on the floor. This is Jack's idea. On Valentine's Day, he just found it.
It's as good as new, honey.
Oh, yes,
You said
it
it's
is.
sorted, that would be definitely...
No, it's definitely assorted. What can a girl do? Oh, for Valentine's Day, with all of his little cards and everything that they made at school. And they made a little mailbox, which is really cute. Look at that. For Valentine's Day. Oh, Matthew with that face. A happy, smiley face with eyes and nose. And Mommy just went to the store and bought groceries, and Daddy's bringing them in like a good daddy on Valentine's Day.
You have Daddy.
Daddy, and Daddy's a wonderful. Well, you gotta have a reason to have daddies. I mean, they're not just a luxury, honey. And the two kitties are in there. Watching Sesame Street. Valentine's Day, 2001. Hello, Momo. He eating his dinner. Hello, Momo. I love you. Mommy making fish sticks. Hello, Momo. You are a wonderful little baby. Hello, can you see yourself? That's a Momo. That's a baby. Let me see. Look at the Momo. That's a Momo boy. Let me see. That's a Momo. There's a Momo. Right there. Oh. That's a Momo. I love you. Momo got a little runny nose, and then we'll go get to the other kids for a minute. Hello, children. Hello, Melissa, dear. Hello, little girl. Hi, Didi. Matthew's eating all of his candy from school. Hello.
After Motivational puppet show.
Hello, Didi. Hello, Didi. I love you. You hungry? Mommy gonna make you fish sticks.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Everybody your friends. You gotta take your rest.
My bear. I'm gonna go see Daddy on Valentine's Day. Where's the husband? Oh, Daddy's laying in the bed like a big dog, I bet. See, Daddy does this. He comes home, he should be spending the whole evening with Mama.
For 5 minutes.
No, look, I got it on video camera. Video. On Valentine's Day. This is what my husband
When I was
does.
up all
On
night.
video. Well,
was
you're
up
going to
all
be
night.
up all night tonight again.
I gotta go. I gotta leave here at 5:20, 5:15.
Good, you're going to be up all night.
And I got my last, well, I don't know if we lose, it'll be the last game.
Good.
If we win, we play another.
No, you better lose. I love you, honey. Happy Valentine's Day. Taking the baskets from one side of the room to the other. There's Missy Doodle. Today's February 15th. Hi, Doodle girl. And there's Matthew. He's eating num-nums out there. He's a good boy. Hi, sweetie. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hello. Hi. You see yourself in here? Okay, here, look. Here, Missy Doodle. There's Missy Doodle. There's Missy. Okay. Let me get the camera ready. Yeah. Good deed. Baby's been taking about 12, 14 steps. And he's just 12 months old, 1 year old exactly. And he walks clear across the room. Last night he walked clear across the room without falling or anything. So he's doing really well. 12 months old is how old he was when he started walking. Oh, he get up like a little professional. Look at that little baby. Oh. He tried to get that little fat leg over there. Mommy talking about you. She's talking about you. There he goes. See, he's getting really good. Oh. What, honey? More what, baby? More sugar? Okay, I'm going to put more sugar on your oatmeal. The macaroni for like a little snack. By himself. Yes, I'm so proud of you. You are such a good boy.
Start grabbing it. This outside, she has this collar, sweatshirt,
This is the baby. The spaghetti mommy made. Hello. Boy. What'd you do? Come here. Come here to mommy. Yes, I love you, sweetheart. You're beautiful. Come here, baby. I want to get you to walk on camera. You know you can walk, Melissa. Oh, she loves her mommy. Look at that. She loves her mommy. She loves her mommy. Come here, baby. Oh, look at that baby. Oh, he's so precious. He's wonderful baby, and wonderful little